Hey guys, how's it going? How to use Snapchat after device ban. To use Snapchat after a device ban, first of all, wait it out. Device bans are often temporary. Reach out to the Snapchat support for assistance if your problems still persist, and avoid using any third-party app or services that might have caused that ban. And then use a different device if possible. Try accessing Snapchat from a different device or web browser. And if the ban persists, or you still feeling like you're on an edge after after that ban, consider creating a new Snapchat account with different email and phone number. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on all the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.